Hello everyone and welcome to break 875 for the 2018 Topps Archive SIG Series Retired Player Edition. Let's go ahead and check that current date and time according to eBay, which is Sunday, June 9th, 2019. It's 10:54 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:54 p.m. Central Time, and 7:54 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Card Mutt, 3 spots, Nism 1, Detailed Chef with 2 spots, Chris 3, Mad Dog 10, and Collect 23 with 11 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Card Mutt, you're on top, Collect on the bottom, once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. We have Nism on top, card on the bottom. Alright, Nism, you have the Diamondbacks, Mad Dog Braves, Collect Orioles and Red Sox, Mad Dog Cubs, Card Mutt White Sox, Mad Dog Reds, Detailed Chef Indians. Collect has the Rockies, Tigers, Astros, Royals, Angels. Card with the Dodgers, Collect Marlins, Mad Dog Brewers, Twins. Chris Mets, Detailed Chef Yankees, Chris Athletics, Mad Dog Phillies. Collect Pirates, Mad Dog Padres, Giants. Chris Mariners, Mad Dog Cardinals. Collect Rays, Rangers, Mad Dog Blue Jays, and last but not least, Card Mutt has the Washington Nationals. Alright, here we are. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. And we have Steve Avery, Atlanta Braves, 52 out of 58. Postseason Archive SIG Series Certified Autograph, Bowman, 52 out of 58. Steve Avery, here we are. All right. Let's see who has the Braves. Atlanta Braves is going to Mad Dog 5150. Congrats, Mad Dog. On your Steve Avery, Atlanta Braves. Autograph SIG Series, 52 out of 58. And I want to thank all of you for getting the break. We do appreciate it. And all of you watching. If you guys haven't already, make sure you click that red button right next to your right thumb to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And follow us on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you guys soon, and please stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.